Hey guys, it's RC Fan back in the house again. So today, with this video, it's kind of special because fireworks. Fireworks. Patriotic bag. This is the party pack. Moonshine, everybody. Well, that's better. Is that better, guys? Yeah. Alright, so these are TNT puppets. Cool, pretty nice. They're just making these. Okay, that's perfect. So this is called short stack. Full 3D view. Picture there. Alright, you guys, so there we go. Make it more focus. So there's that, and the performance is snow pine with blue sparks and crackles. That sounds beautiful. These crackling salute. I've never done anything like these, but these are interesting. What they do, caution, emits crackling sparks. Careful, read other caution on back panel. Close adult supervision. That's obvious. Well, they're crackers. Not firecrackers, but they're like crackling balls is what they are. But just in a cracker. Not a owl cracker, but a firework cracker thing. Yeah. They're exclusive. Oh my goodness. I have to go pick one up for myself if they're exclusive. No, I'm just kidding. And the light more over here so it looks better on the... There we go, that's perfect. Alright, so yeah, you get the idea. Now, this assortment is has lots of little parts in. Has all the nuts and bolts that you need in a firework assortment. I said assortment. What is assortment? An assortment. The patriotic bag. Ooh, patriotic bag. Ooh, I wonder what's inside. So in this we have Pyro fan right here. This is all TNT fireworks, just to let you guys know. We have Mr. Crackle. Ha ha ha, you cracked me up. Made a pun. And then performance on this one is colorful sparks with flower and crackle. Ooh. Nice little diagram of what that is. And then we have jade flowers. Exclusive. Wow, that's exclusive. I had to go buy one for myself. Enough with the drama, people. Oh, no, that's not good. Stop with the drama. Good gosh. Really? Really? Even though it's exclusive, doesn't mean you have to go buy it yourself. That's the question. I mean, answer. Whatever. Yeah. Then we have squash, which is way up here. And all these have like little fuse stickers on them. Because, I mean, if you're blind, I mean, I'm not saying that if someone was blind, they can't see. I mean, that's obvious. But like, if someone doesn't know where the fuse is, if it's like pitch black outside, then that would be a problem. But yeah, they didn't have a flashlight, and their flashlight died, and all they had was a lighter. That'd be so sad. And then we have some amazing fountains. They are amazing. See what I did there? And we have a crystal fountain. It's probably going to be crystally or Christoph. Let me back it up. Okay, I'm not even going to try to say that word. Crystallified. Crystallified. There we go. I'm not even gonna. No, I'm done. I'm not even gonna say that word. Moving on. We have fireflies. Very cool kind of pattern there. Like towards me. Okay, there we go. And then we just have some things that are, I don't even know. They're crackling fountains. 2 packs of them. And that's it for this box, for this bag. So that's for this bag. Now moving on to the fireworks party pack. Ooh, mysterious. Let's get into it. So on the back here, TNT, #1 brand. Can't beat that anywhere else. No, just kidding. All those competing brands out there, shout out to TNT. Would you, please? Consumer fireworks, that's obvious. And then if you want to learn more about TNT or find any more products online, you can always go to www.tntfireworks.com for more information and their products. Wha-bam! Kapow! Boom, 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 boom! Fireworks, boom, boom, boom! Alright, so, celebrate safety and responsibility. Don't be stupid with fireworks, kids. Don't do it. Use common sense. There is common sense out there, people. Use it. Use your brain and knowledge. I'm serious. You think I'm kidding? You think I'm kidding? Hey, that. So we have 26 pieces in here. It says right there on the box. Right there. 26 pieces. Contains 26 pieces. Net contains 26 pieces. Right there. And I'm not lying, because it says it right on the box. That's how I prove that I'm not lying. So, in this assortment, we have Pyro Fan again, but in a different color. There are 2 different colors in these. You can see side by side. There are 2 different colors for Pyro Fan. We have Mr. Crackle again. Are those the same? No, they're not. They're different. They're 2 different Mr. Crackles. They're different artwork. See? They're 2 different artworks. Which, I find that weird, but, yeah. We have Glittering Fountain down here. It's gold. Right here we have Rain Dance. It's exclusive. Same with that. And Mr. Crackle is exclusive as well. We have Razzle Dazzle right here. Even though you can't read that, but I can read it. More of those crackling fountains. We have butterflies and flowers right here. Another exclusive. Everything in TNT has to be exclusive. Why? I already did Power Fran. I can't see anything though from here on out because everything's blocking that. But this says Earth. Oh, this is Heart's Cry. Heart's Cry. Heart's Cry. So, yeah, and then we have Fire Ants. Then we have Junebug right there. And then I don't know what these are up here. Oh, Flash Fountains right here. Some Flash Fountains. Can't read that, and I can't read that. So, yeah. That's basically, all the fireworks that I got for, Memorial Day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I certainly did. And, seems like a comedy show thing, because who doesn't like comedy? I do. I like comedy. So, hit the like button for, fireworks. Come on, you guys. You gotta hit up for some fireworks. Seriously. Come on. It's America. America! Fireworks. And I tooted. So, hit that like button for some fireworks. Dudes and dudettes. For them boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen and women and men and people out there who just love fireworks and who are pyromaniacs. So hit that like button for fireworks. How to make a thumbnail. That's how you make a thumbnail. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. TNT fireworks! Boom!